Okay, so this actually looks pretty bullish, although we are in a bearish fair value gap. You're displacing to the upside. We made certainly like a break of structure to the upside. The next thing, we retested the 3-minute fair value gap, swept a low inside it, and for right now we are looking like we are respecting very nicely from it. Look at the 2-minute time frame. So let's see if we do leave a 5-minute fair value gap, or we actually inverse it before and we inverse the 3-minute one. That will be clear entry. So something like this, potential 1-to-1. Doing same thing, although we just have an SMT right here, but I don't really care about it, honestly. We don't have any fair value gaps on the ES, which is okay. So nothing can reject us if we inverse on the NQ. So honestly, I don't really care about the 5-minute fair value gap. The 3-minute, if we show good enough displacement through it, I'm willing to take the entry, no problem. It's gonna be 25 point stop, very likely. So let's see what is gonna happen. I'm gonna open M and Q also if we do get a larger stop. So for right now, I wanna see if we do actually get it. It's looking very clean. Yep, you're displacing to the upside. I'm gonna take it 9 micros right there, stop loss right here. Looking simultaneously at the ES, we actually have an entry right here, stop loss right here for 27.5 points. Break even is the first liquidity, or when the ES sweeps it. So as soon as the ES sweeps it, you guys can't see it, I cannot show you, but if the ES takes out this main high up here, so this one, I'm also going break even, or I'm exiting the position, because that might happen very, very soon. Okay, so ES has swept it. If it stops me out, it stops me out. It is just my rules. Let's see what is gonna happen. I'm probably gonna get taken out. It's very close to the stop loss right now, but I honestly couldn't care less. So let's actually see what do we get. So for right now, I like the momentum and everything. Of course, TP is at above $500 on this exact account. So let's just see if we are going to get it. So we just got stopped out, which is fine. Great trade. 5-minute also just inversed. So I just got stopped out because of the SMT on this high up here. I'm gonna show you guys the ES chart so you guys can understand why did I go break even. We just got an SMT, so let me see if this trade is gonna actually fail or not. So we are getting very close to what would be my stop loss if I was still in the trade, and we are totally respecting this fair value gap for right now. So let's just see if we do get some kind of re-entry in this trade, because this trade is still very valid, but since we had an SMT, my rules just tell me that I gotta go break even, which I absolutely did, and just see. Okay, so this trade is very likely going to fail, of course, without me in it. And there it is. That's why I hold on to my rules, because rules are clear to me that they're going to save me more times than they're going to not save me. So yeah. So what I actually want to see right now, because we didn't get an inversion of this market, pretty heavily rejected, since we just disrespected the 2-minute fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, if it's gonna load up, 5-minute fair value gap, all that is left is 3-minute fair value gap, and if we manage to disrespect it, this would definitely be a nice trade that I want to be inside of. 9 micros. So I'm just gonna execute it. If we do get the closure, mini micros, we are not gonna get the closure, and my internet is absolutely bullshit. ES did not get the closure too. I'm not gonna take it. So nothing. We would have needed something like this. I'm targeting, of course, towards the upside. So guys, my face cam is on, but I just executed this trade. You can even see the profits and everything. You can see my past trade on the MNQ. This one is on the NQ. I'm gonna try to turn on the camera if I can do it. But yeah, let's see if my TP is gonna get hit. It's gonna be here. Let's see. I'm gonna put it just below like this. Both thank you and what is yes doing? Let me put it on this screen. So we are just pumping. I'm pretty sure this is gonna hit the TP. I'm not gonna take it any earlier. I don't need to, because there is no reason for us to not just pump towards the end of the session. So let's see if we are gonna get hit. So why did I take it? Because with the huge volume towards the upside, we just inversed this fair value gap, so no reason for me to not actually take it. Okay, still playing 0.7 risk to reward. Let's see. Actually didn't manage to get the camera working. Okay. Actually trying to get the camera working, and there it is. So still close to the TP. Let's hope we just don't get some kind of crazy reversal on us. I'm gonna put the TP on this wick. So if we take it, we just should take like just a little less than what was actually the TP. Much. So let me just see the sweep, and that's it. If the market reverses on us, I'm just dumb as fuck, but that's fine. Let's see. Huge rejection. I'm like 99% sure we are just about to hit it with this type of candle towards the upside, and there it is, full TP. So Perfect. So you guys saw that I took one break even here, which I have on the M&Q, the executions. You can see the executions there. Here my executions are turned off for some reason, so AW here. And pretty great trade so far. Did not take this one right here, you guys saw why. And oh my god guys, one more setup that just presented in the last macro. It is the 5-minute very clean inversion. Got the most horrible fill ever, but let's see what is gonna happen with the position. If it actually hits the TP, this is gonna be a huge day. So the point is we are reacting from the hourly time frame very hardly, and we got an insane closure of this 5-minute fair value gap. So all I'm doing right now is I am watching simultaneously at the ES, which is on my left screen. You guys can't see it, but I'm watching if we get an SMT with this slowdown here. If we do, I'm out of the trade for very happy profits. And let's see, we are about half of the way towards the TP. This is pretty interesting session because the last macro I usually like to trade till 12:10, which is the for me last macro. And let's see, ES is about to take it. I think this is gonna be a 0.7 risk to reward trade if we actually do get it. I even miscalculated my risk a little bit. Okay, I'm out of the trade. Is he gonna exit? Exited perfectly. So this is the second trade. Very happy with it. I'm gonna show you the picture of the ES, which is right here. My internet is a little bit worse, so got this SMT right here. I'm pretty happy with this trade. Right now the market is reversing. As we know, SMTs cause that. So second double W on the day. As you guys know, it was the last second turning on the recording, so I wasn't able to turn on the face cam, but you guys don't mind. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. We had so far a huge day, close to 2 risk to reward on the day. Second one was not a full TP, but I think as what we did everything perfect today, we actually caught a complete bottom tick of this move. So yep, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna just see you in the next one if something more doesn't pop up, but this is for sure the end of the day. So see you guys.